Okay, you guys, so this is 7.2, writing two-step inequalities. Don't worry about solving yet. We're only writing in this lesson. The next one will be solving them. So again, your learning objective is to be able to write two-step inequalities, again, with an 80% accuracy given the practice problems. So right here, we're only going to model using the tiles. So I'm going to do my box. And then in the equations, we will draw a line. And I'm going to do the same, but in this case, they're not equal to each other. So I'm going to copy that symbol, greater than or equal to, okay? So I have 2k, that means I'm going to have two big variable tiles. So those are positive ones. Remember, the rectangle represents the variables, so I have two of those. And then plus 5, so those are 5 positive 1 tiles. So, So green is going to be my positives, remembering that, and then the negatives are going to be red. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, and all of those are green. Your book shows yellow, but yellow doesn't show this. And then right here is greater than or equal to -3. Now I'm going to have 3 -1 tiles, and I'm done with that one, okay? Now writing two-step inequalities, so let's see the information that we're given. So it says that you are at an altitude of 9,200 feet, 9,200 feet, and you want to reach an altitude of at least 1,200 feet in 4 days. And we are going to write an inequality to see the average of number of feet per day that you're going to have to hike up to accomplish your goal. Okay, so the first step that we're going to do is we're going to identify what you are trying to find. So what is it that I'm trying to find? I'm trying to find the average number of feet. Okay, so I'm gonna assign a variable for that. So I'm gonna just call that f. Okay, so it's gonna be my f. It can be x, y, whatever variable you would like to call that. And then the second step is I already did, but we're gonna underline important information or highlight it. Okay, so I know that I'm starting here. I know that I want to get here, and this is how many days I have to accomplish that goal. Okay, the third step is using words. Using the words in the problem, you're gonna get the information, and then you're gonna put it together with an inequality. Okay, so I'm gonna write that right there. So I start, okay, at 9,200 feet. Okay, and then it says, so this is my starting point. So that's my constant, and it says that I have a specific number of days to reach, right? So times my average, basically, the altitude gain, and this is that it has to be at least, right? I want to get to my goal, which is going to be 1,200. Okay, so I'm gonna start here, and then I have plus 4 days, right, times an altitude gain. So I'm gonna call that f, and then that is going to be greater than, because it's at least or equal to 1,200 feet. Okay, I'm sorry, 12,000 feet. So if I were to, so let's basically do this, but remember, we're not doing the x anymore. So at the end, I'm gonna end up with 1,200 plus 4f greater or equal to 12,000. Again, I'm starting at 9,200 feet, and then I have 4 days to do this many feet to get to this right here at least. Okay, so that's how we write an inequality given the description above. Okay, so for writing a verbal description for an inequality given, I'm going to give an example. So we have 2x plus 20 is less than or equal to 50. So for instance, we can say that you have $50, okay, and you go to the store and you got something that was $20, okay, but then you see, I don't know, a book, okay, you see books, and you want to buy 2 books of those. Okay, so the question will be, what will be the cost needed of the books maximum? The cost of each of those books, so that you don't spend over 50, because you only have 50. So either you're gonna spend 50 or less. So again, you have $50 to spend, and you go to the store and you already got something that costs $20, and then you want to buy 2 books. So what is the price of those? Each one of those books that need to have, so that you spend $50 or less. Okay, remember, Math's magical, you're amazing, and you can do this. Bye bye.